2025 is turning out to be a wild year for 360 degrees cameras. After years of silence, GoPro is finally back with the Max 2, ready to prove it still owns the action cam game. But DJI, known for dominating drones and gimbals, is stepping into the 360 space for the very first time with the Osmo 360. And they're not coming quietly. GoPro's aiming for redemption. DJI is aiming to shake things up completely. Both brands have a lot riding on this, legacy versus disruption. So, which camera actually delivers where it counts? Let's break it down and see who's really leading the next chapter of immersive video. When it comes to camera performance, both the GoPro Max 2 and DJI Osmo 360 are expected to bring big upgrades, way beyond what we've seen before. And for GoPro, it's not just about impressing people. It needs this update to stay in the game. Their first Max camera came out back in 2019, and it shot 360 degrees video in 5.3K using two small 1 by 2.3 inch sensors. That was solid then, but now it's kind of outdated, especially with 8K becoming the new standard. The Max 2 is rumored to jump to 8K at 30 frames per second, and possibly even hit 5.7K at 60 frames per second, like what you get from the Insta360 X5 and reportedly DJI's Osmo 362. DJI's entry, on the other hand, sounds promising. According to reliable leaks, the Osmo 360 will have two big 1 by 1.1 inch sensors, much larger than what we usually see in 360 cams. That means better low-light performance, more detail, and overall better image quality. It's also said to support HDR and a flat log color profile, which is perfect for creators who like to edit their footage later. If these specs turn out to be true, DJI might take the lead in image quality, especially in tricky lighting like nighttime shots or dark indoor scenes. The designs of these two cameras really show where they come from. GoPro's Max 2 sticks to what it knows best: tough, practical gear. It doesn't look totally different from past models, but has some smart upgrades. The dual lenses are now more centered, which should help with better image alignment. Plus, from the early preview shots, there's a visible heat sink on the body, just like on the Hero 13 Black, hinting that GoPro is working to keep the camera cool during long 8K video shoots. You'll also notice extra vents and a symmetrical design, which help both with function and making editing easier later on. DJI's Osmo 360, on the other hand, goes for a fresh look. It seems inspired by the Insta360 X5, with a smooth matte gray finish, a rounded body, and big lenses sticking out on each side. It has a wide touchscreen and very few physical buttons, clearly aiming for a clean and easy user experience. This matches DJI's usual style: sleek, smart, and creator-friendly. It's compact and tough too, but may appeal more to those who care about design and ease of use. Now let's talk stabilization. GoPro has always been the king here, thanks to its HyperSmooth tech. The Max 2 is expected to bring an upgraded version, possibly HyperSmooth 6.0, specially tuned for 360 video. This could include better horizon leveling and smoother footage right out of the camera, even in high-motion shots, so you won't need a gimbal or spend hours fixing it in post. DJI is almost guaranteed to bring its rock-solid stabilization to the Osmo 360, this time fine-tuned specifically for 360 degrees video. Leaks suggest it'll have real-time stitching and gyro-assisted stabilization, putting it on par with GoPro in terms of smooth footage. But where DJI might really pull ahead is with its smart features. Think AI-powered tracking, automatic reframing, and scene detection that make editing way easier. DJI's Mimo app already offers solid control for its cameras, and while we don't know yet if a new app is coming with the Osmo 360, it's safe to say the editing and sharing experience will be smooth and user-friendly. GoPro's Quik app has also improved a lot, with decent auto editing, reframing, and exporting tools. But if DJI brings a more polished, all-in-one app, it might just have the upper hand. At the end of the day, a lot of this may come down to what you're used to. If you're already deep into the GoPro or DJI ecosystem, you'll probably stick with what you know. Then there's price, always a big factor. DJI has confirmed it to start around $550. The standard combo is going to be available for $549.99, while the Adventure combo, which includes extra accessories like an invisible selfie stick and multifunctional battery case, will be going for $699.99. If you've been waiting for a reason to upgrade your 360 setup, this is it. That's definitely in the high-end range, but it makes sense considering the dual 1x1.1-inch sensors, 8K video, and all those pro-level features. GoPro, on the other hand, might go a bit cheaper, possibly around $400 to $500. If it can pull off great 8K video, solid low-light shots, and top-notch stabilization at that price, it could be a fantastic deal, especially for action cam fans or anyone who wants one camera that can do it all. DJI's biggest strength might not be the price, but the overall value it brings. If the Osmo 360 launches with built-in editing tools, support for log profiles, and works smoothly with other DJI gear, people may feel like they're getting a complete creator package, not just a camera. At the heart of it, the GoPro Max 2 versus DJI Osmo 360 battle isn't just about who has the better specs. It's about the bigger picture, innovation, brand identity, and where each company is headed. GoPro is trying to make a comeback in a space it once led. After years of staying quiet on the 360 front, it wants to prove it still belongs. The Max 2 seems like a well-thought-out upgrade, more refined, built on everything GoPro has learned from its hero cameras, and designed for more than just action sports fans. DJI, meanwhile, is the new player in 360 cameras, but it's not coming in quietly. Its Osmo 360 takes cues from the best designs out there and matches them spec for spec, especially the Insta360 X5. What sets DJI apart, though, is its full ecosystem. If it delivers a seamless experience from capture to edit, it could easily become the go-to for content creators. If GoPro nails the Max 2, offering strong performance and a competitive price, it could win back a lot of users. But DJI isn't just trying to copy what's already out there. The Osmo 360 looks like a serious attempt to set a new standard. In the end, it all comes down to how well each camera performs in the real world. GoPro has to prove it still has the magic, while DJI needs to show it can do for 360 what it's done for drones. One thing's for sure, the 360 camera game is back, and the competition has never been more exciting. So, whether you're Team GoPro or curious about DJI's bold move into 360, one thing's clear. This battle is just getting started. Both cameras have serious potential, but only time and real-world testing will tell who truly takes the crown. If you found this breakdown helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments which camera you think will come out on top. More updates, hands-on tests, and comparisons are on the way. Stay tuned, and we'll see you in the next one.